Hello traders, welcome back to GolgiFx, and this is your boy Golgi. So in this video you'll be looking at how to draw and use support and resistance line, and also you look at some clues and tips to support and resistance trading that you can adapt to your trading strategy. If you are new to our channel, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also if you are already subscribed to our channel, welcome back, support our channel. Traders, let's get into the video. So support and resistance is one thing that every new trader tends to learn when it comes to trading basis. Most traders later confuse support and resistance with supply and demand. In this video, we will clear all that confusion. So traders, support and resistance are just levels. That is, they are just horizontal levels. But these levels are not ordinary levels, but key psychological levels. So what do you mean by that? So if you look at our chart now, you can see these horizontal levels drawn on our chart, and these levels are support and resistance levels, and price tend to respect and remember these levels. So we can say that these levels are psychological levels. So the question now is, how do you get or see these levels? So we have different ways that traders try to draw their support and resistance levels. So these levels are mostly based on the time frame that you are trading. So in case someone is trading the 4-hour time frame, that person can use the weekly or the daily levels that he finds on the chart as support and resistance levels. So traders, let's look at these levels. We can see that these levels are levels from the monthly and also the daily time frame, and we can see how price is respecting this level. If you look at from this point, we can see this first level, how price broke structure but respected this level, which was previous resistance 10 support. We can also look at this level where we can see previous resistance level, also 10 support levels. So this is how we look at our support and resistance levels. But if you want to draw or you want to get these levels, you have to look at the higher time frame, that's the daily and the weekly time frames. So we can see that price tend to respect these levels on the chart, and we can use these levels to our trading strategy when trading. Let's look at this. A trader can use this as the trend and be looking for trade around these levels on the chart. If you look at this point, and if you look at also this point, we can see at this point are old levels that price tend to respect. So someone can add this to their trading strategy. So now let's go to the daily and the higher time frames to see how these levels on my chart. I'm on the daily time frame, and you can see that these levels that I show you on the 4-hour time frame are levels that price respected previously on the chart. If you look at this point, and if you look at the point below, and also if you look at this point, you can see they are all points that price tend to respect, which are old levels on the chart already. So if you are a trader and you trade around the 4-hour time frame, it's important to look at your higher time frame to look for your support and resistance level. If you're a day trader or a scalper, you can also look at the 4-hour time frame levels and also the daily time frame as your support and resistance levels. So traders, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks when looking for support and resistance on your chart. So the first one is, support and resistance level must be taken or drawn from high time frame rather than the time frame that you are trading. So it's always important to look for support and resistance at the high time frame. So if you are trading the 4-hour time frame, it's important to look for support and resistance on the monthly, on the weekly, on the daily. And also, these levels are support and resistance point that price or the market tend to respect. So you can't just trade at these levels. So what this means that you always have to get another strategy or something to add to support and resistance trading. You cannot just trade the market when price gets to these levels. So example, if you look at this chart now, you can see this point on the chart, this support and resistance level on the chart was broken without testing. So it is not always important to just look at this level and take a trade when price gets there. This level has been broken, and now you can see price is directly coming to test this level. So that is how you should be looking at your support and resistance level. You don't just see price at a support and resistance level and you trade them. So traders, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. In our coming video, we'll be looking at supply and demand. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.